Look no further than the 2019 Honda Passport. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Presenting the Honda Passport, the midsize crossover with all the features you need to make your outdoor adventures fun and comfortable. With seating for 5, plenty of cargo space, flexible cabin configurations, smart tech, towing ability, and optional all-wheel drive, this innovative vehicle has your back. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel confident and comfortable on every excursion in the clever and versatile Passport. We can put you in the driver's seat today.